You may not believe this, but until recently, I found it difficult to live in my tiny home. That is, before I found a product that was designed exclusively for tiny home owners to help them live in a small space with absolutely zero regrets. Let me show you what I mean. And here it is, a giant cactus. But how does it work? Well, we deliver a giant cactus to your tiny home, squeeze it inside, and place it directly in the middle of your living space. But don't just take my word for it. I've sent prototypes to a few tiny house friends.
I've built a lot of tiny homes over the years, and I always thought, something is missing. And now I just can't imagine living in a tiny house without a giant cactus.
We got a giant cactus because we wanted a built-in security system.
Now, no one wants to rob our tiny house or come over, ever.
We think it's a great way to incorporate the outdoors into our living space and teach our kids about nature too.
At first, I thought, this is a mistake. But now, I'm saving so much money on acupuncture.
Totally worth it.
The giant cactus has really challenged me to think about how much space I actually need. I think more, honestly.
It's eco-friendly because it requires little to no water. In fact, I guarantee that you can't kill it, even if you want to. Now, a lot of people ask, what if I don't want to be constantly impaled? Don't worry, we have a solution for that. Every order comes with an artisanal, plant-based, hand-knit sweater that perfectly fits your giant cactus.
It does nothing.
We're calling it the Cactus Condom. We're still brainstorming the name.
The makers of Giant Cactus are not responsible for loss of friendships, personal injury, intense and overwhelming depression, or criminal charges due to harboring a weapon of mass destruction in your home.
Wait, what?
Side effects include the inability to stop the giant cactus from growing or multiplying itself.
Oh my God, don't look now. There's more.
In some cases, you may experience slight discomfort from the giant cactus removing all of the oxygen from the house.
Hang on a second.
Call the police immediately if you notice the sudden disappearance of your pets or small children, as your giant cactus may have developed a taste for human flesh.
Wait, why would that happen?
Order your giant cactus today.
Order your giant cactus today.
Order your giant cactus today.
Order your giant cactus today, because designing a comfortable tiny home isn't difficult enough.
Tiny house, giant cactus.